Hey guys, Sean Lentz here from Appalachian DIY, and today I'm going to show you how to set a fence post using the new Sika fence post mix. This stuff is really neat and it's very simple, and it's about half the price of what it would cost for 2 bags of cement, which is the comparison to one of these bags. It's really simple. All you do is hold it upside down, roll it, pop this seal in the middle and shake it back and forth, roll it over a 90-degree angle like this, and then just dump it in the hole. You're mixing it for 15 seconds, so this is really quick. It starts to heat up and expand right away. Pour it in your hole and you're done. There is one thing that you need to make sure you do, and it's support your beam. Don't hold it by hand, because as you can see in this clip right here, we tried to do that and it came apart from the post and the foam, and it rocked it around, leaving a gap on the outside and inside of the post. So make sure you guys have it posted up, and it's really simple after that. All you got to do is pour it in. So see that there's arrows down here. This is a seal that you're going to break. Roll it down here until it gets firm. Give it a pop. Give it a good shake, and then just knead it over there. Now we're probably about 7 seconds in already. Well, this didn't pop all the way. And you'll feel it warm up as you shake it around. Alright, that's been 15 seconds. Right here at the top. Cut it off. And then just pour it in. Pour it evenly around the post, and then just roll the bag to get all the extra out. Try and get it up against the post itself, because it'll help seal it in from any moisture getting in there at all. Alright guys, that's it. This filled up really quick. It took less than 30 seconds for it to expand. Wait about 3 to 5 minutes. You can take your supports off, and about 2 hours for anything that you're going to hang on it. You can fill back over top of it if you want, and that's pretty much it. This is a really nice product. It's super quick, and you don't have to wait for dry times like you do concrete. You just got to pay attention to when you're mixing this. It's literally only 15 seconds when you pop this seal, and when you pop it, make sure that you're giving it a good pop and it unseals over the entire seal. That way you just don't get a little part over here and it doesn't mix properly. These bags are really tough, so you can take them over stuff, mix them up really well. You don't really got to be bashful with it. I like shaking them up. I think that works a lot better than kneading it over the surface, but whatever works for you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. Head over to Appalachian DIY for more videos. Thanks again guys, and I hope to see you next time.